again.
Oh,
I
that's
just love
so
that
kind of you.
show. Good, love it. Good.
Thanks for
I was
thanks
like,
for catching us.
yeah, if there was more cops like you, this world would be a lot safer.
Well, I gotta be honest with you. There are a lot of them like us. You know, it's just that you don't get to see them.
I know.
Oh, we gotta go, ladies. We gotta go. We gotta go. Thanks. Yeah, thank you.
Go. No. Yep. Cut your lights up top. Turning north.
Alex, we got a car. We got a speeder flying down Front Street at about 85.
One more, he turned north.
We're gonna go north here. We're not sure if we can catch him, but we're going north on Woodbridge. It's probably Italian. Sorry, same buddies. I bet it is. Sure it is. It's there they are again. They just got arrested, and Gerald Smith might be in the car today. We'll see. Oh my goodness gracious! Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Hang on. Hang on.
Yep.
What's that? 2400 traffic. 2400 traffic in front of 978 Woodbridge. 007 00919.
Copy 2400 at 978 Woodbridge.
2756 with them.
Copy 2756.
Bravo 088.
Copy Bravo 088. Have a good night. 2230.
272 will be out with them. Rice and Nebraska.
Copy, you're out with the subject at Rice in Nebraska, 2231.
Okay. Taking away 510 forward. 2231.
Two SNR. We'll take 911 to hang up down the road. Two zero two, a copy. 911 hang up at 208 Hoyt Avenue within 9 meters.
Pardon? Pardon?
2232.
2756 code 4 traffic.
Copy code 4, 2232.
.272 in the area.
Copy, 2233. $91.70.
9170.
Okay, advising is call pending for Tango to Yeckel and Bel Air Avenue on a possible intoxicated driver. Caller advising of a vehicle weaving around with no lights and stopping in the middle of the road. Only description we have is a silver Cadillac with temp 277.
277.
Update on your call, though. wait for tag left.
Copy. Park SNR. No BWC 10-8.
Copy. 2234.
Back 70.
Sorry, 364. 100. Copy. 2234.
That is actually the house next to the traffic stop that turned their music up. So we know the driver of this car pretty well, and he's generally very respectful, and he is tonight. But it's the neighbors trying to be irritating.
So they're gonna get a really bad speeding ticket, really good speeding ticket.
Oh, really good.
Mute for 1 second.
Oh.
But we are familiar with this young man. He's got a pleasant personality, but
Our friend Russell said, so he turns his music up and starts blasting it. This isn't going to end well. And I said, no, that's not this
That's
guy.
the house.
He's pretty respectful.
Either West
It was the house trying to
Who's the other
irritate
guy? You
him.
got the idea on the other one?
Oh, he's got it. It's Julius. I can't remember his last name.
who's the passenger?
Watching for it, I guess.
Where's my flashlight?
Want to
There's
snap
one
a
back
picture?
24.
I want to see if he's weighted in Neil Hill.
Here, let me
good idea.
do this real quick.
161 cancel. We'll take it.
Copy. 124, you can sir.
3. Everything.
2234.
Sounds like not going to be available. They're currently en route to suspend the county. They were going to pass on the info to them. Let us know. Yeah, 2237.
What is he doing? Is that music?
That's from the house.
Where do you need to be filled at on the perimeter? 318. Unless anyone has specifics. Looks pretty good close up within a couple blocks. If you want to push it further west, up maybe Park. In case they're already west of our perimeter. Copy, Clark and what? There's
Copy.
East York or Whitehall.
2237.
2367. There's a
Pat, what is it over here?
Yeah,
103? 105? What's the zip?
117.
Go.
You guys already checked them out?
Cowboy head too.
I wanted to not be left out. Plus, I look way better.
Where is that?
You want me to go get it? You want me to go?
No, I'll give it to him.
Give me a second. I'm not that bad.
Okay.
Now that's gold, isn't it? But it looks silver when you're right up on it.
Did you run the plate? Alex, did you run the car yet or
Yeah,
not?
boss.
And who's it come back to? Him?
Yeah.
Is that the same car they were chasing last night?
Yep. The one that he bailed out of.
Gerald, yeah. So last night, well, actually, we were on this last night.
Mhm.
Yeah, we were live on that. This is the car. There was a third person in this car last night that had numerous warrants. Gerald Smith.
Yep.
And normally Gerald runs with these guys, but he's not. He wasn't in the car. Well, you know, he got around the corner fast enough. He could have ran on us.
He could have.
It's possible he's in the house turning the music up. Right?
Mm-hmm.
The caller
Could be standing in the doorway right there.
wants to give a call back.
Oh, this is the
Yeah, I know, but
Right.
is the music on this house or the next house?
the music is from that one.
Yeah, it's in
Copy. 2239.
Actually, we've stopped him on Live on Patrol a couple times.
No, we have.
That really nice Impala, wasn't that it?
It was a Kia Optima, absolutely beautiful, and within 2 weeks it was
Smashed it up.
smashed up on every corner inside. I told him,
Almost done.
Take your time.
I told him, you're going to treat this car better than you treated the Kia, aren't you?
Well, I'm going to tell him real simple. This is the last chance. From now on, we're taking him to jail. Because we try our best, but that kind of driving there was... What are you doing? You doing a dance in there? Doing a dance or what? Oh, online? You got us online? You're watching? You hear what I said? Next time you're going to jail.
9662, go ahead. Can you...
There's the air. Should have been watching us 5 minutes ago.
Copy. 2240.
I'm sure glad we got Alex with us.
Yeah.
First time everybody's ever
He knows his stuff. Otherwise, we'd be writing those handwritten
Well,
tape books we got in the back.
he's got a printer now and
We got
everything.
a printer right in his squad car. Is that everything?
That's everything, Bob.
All right, you're the best. Hang on, Alex.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Engineers on past Stimmy Tech 2 for St. Paul, Trooper 9 overhead. And 378 copy, Trooper 9 overhead. Yeah, we do. If you want to just start from the call location and work west.
So on that robbery on Payne Avenue, they have a canine out tracking,
Payne and Sims.
and they have the state helicopter up as well.
616 affirmative. And we've probably got at least 5 or 6 people in this area we've seen out on foot, so that are not the suspects. Roger.
Yep, folks, that is actually what Bob was telling him. You should have had us on live before you drove by.
There's a young male and young female walking eastbound out of Whitehall towards you. They are walking home.
Sure, 11, I'll be out with 321. Copy. 362. 362. Is Arctic on? Can you see if they could check the camera here? Check west of Sims.
Checking for Arctic on channel 2.
The robbery on Payne, was it Payne and Sims?
Can you go to channel 3, please? Arctic on 3.
360, go ahead for Arctic.
That's my favorite song.
362, can you check
Thanks, very
cameras
much.
on
Appreciate it.
Payne and Sims
See you at the next
up
one.
to the west of Sims?
Arctic copy.
And get that Arctic. Call time was 22:15.
Well, there you have it. Those poor ladies from Evelyn, we had to rush off, but you never know what's around the corner,
That's right.
right?